Welcome to In the Kitchen with Bert and Linda, and we're so happy that you're here. We're at home in North Carolina. The weather's pretty, it's sunny, gonna be extremely hot today, 95, but that is our weather. So let's get started. We're making a low carb pecan pie that people say can't be done, but oh yes it can, and we're gonna show you how. So let me tell you what ingredients we've got. I've written them down so I can be sure we get it right. We got 2/3 cup of almond flour, and then we got 3/4 cup of Truvia brown sugar, and then we've got softened butter. Here's the butter, and we've got 2 eggs that I'm going to beat up. There they are, and I've got 1/2 cup of chopped pecans, and a tablespoon of vanilla flavoring. And that's it. Mix them all together and we've got a pecan pie. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to use the flour. And this is almond flour, so instead of using like white flour, whole purpose flour, we're using almond flour. So that goes in the bowl. Okay, then we're going to add our butter, which is melted. And our oven is on 350, and we're going to cook this pie for probably about 30 minutes, probably longer than that, because sometimes it's a little bit harder to get it done and right in the center. And we've also got a buttered, I think this is like an 8x8 pan. It's not a normal pie pan. Okay, let's get all that in there. Already smells good. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and add the vanilla flavoring in, and we want a tablespoon of that, but I'm going to pour it all in there. That may be about 1.5 tablespoons. Now that smells good. Okay, let's stir eggs up. We'll get those in there. So I hope everybody out there is doing well. Bert's here. He's just doing some errands for me, but he'll be back. I gotta quit sending him out on errands. Okay, let's put our eggs in. Get them all stirred up. Okay, now let's put our brown sugar in. This Truvia. You find it at Walmart all day long. This is dessert for lunch. Bert's actually going to cook him a steak today, and we're going to make him a salad, and don't know what kind of vegetable yet. And I am going to have some grilled chicken with a little bit of cheese on it, and maybe a salad. Okay, here are our pecans, 1.5 cups of pecans. Now they're good. I've been sampling those this morning. Can you see that? There's your pie right there. Make sure it's stirred up real good. And that's it. That's all it is to making a pecan pie, a low carb pecan pie. Okay, so let's pour it into our pan. There's not much news going on around here. It's very quiet today. There's barely any traffic on the road. I don't know what's up, but anyway, kind of nice. Just spread it out in your pan. That's it. There's your pecan pie. That's it. So let's go put it in the oven. Again, it's at 350, and I'm gonna say let's check it at 30 minutes, and then let's see how the inside. It's the inside that's got to cook a little bit more. Okay, let's try it.
Hey folks, we're back, and guess what? Linda's got a delicious low-carb pecan pie that she has fixed, and it's
hot.
It's kind of warm, but you can see it looks fantastic. Now what we're going to do is actually just get a knife and cut out a little edge out of it. Maybe get both of us a tasty fork. There we go.
He's getting us a plate.
I just wanted to get out a small plate to put this on, and we're just going to cut it, I guess, in the edge.
Yeah. Now I'll take a picture. We're taking pictures.
Ooh. This is coming.
That's fine. Use the spatula or whatever. Looks good. Use a spoon.
Okay, the texture looks really good. I think you can.
All right. I'm going to doll it up.
Okay, I had a little taste. Man, that stuff is good. Wow, that's good stuff.
And if you want to doll it up, here's Ready Whip. They have got a keto and 0 sugar thing, yeah.
Before you doll it up, why don't you just taste it?
I am.
Okay.
I'm just kind of showing it. Let me put it closer. This is legit too. It's low carb. All right. It smells so good in here. Talk.
That's very, very tasty.
And it's low carb, and you can have it.
Folks, this is a winner for sure. This just shows you can have your cake and eat it too. This is dessert. This is par excellence. So try it, and you'll see. Hey, this stuff is good. But anyway, I'm going to cut out another little piece here.
This may super whatever. He may have this instead. He's having steak for lunch, but he may be having pecan pie first. But it's really good. So
I was going to get this piece out.
This is all low carb. It's a winner. Just remember.
This came out almost solid, so it's better. Yeah. It's a little bit on the, I'll call, crumbly side, but hey.
That's from the almond flour.
Okay.
But
now, Linda wants to.
If you don't use the almond flour, if you use like self-rising flour, it's not low carb. So I can live with a little crumbly pie.
I've got to open that up to do that, so I'm just gonna have a taste.
So if y'all got any suggestions, what would you do to make it better? Let us know. We'd love to hear from you. We are hearing from a lot of our subscribers, and we love it. So let us know. Here, I'm going to put some good stuff on top. Now try that.
Some whipped topping. You try it. I'm good. It's delicious to me, just like it was.
Thumbs up. Okay.
So just remember, guys, to share out, like, and thumbs up our channel. And we're going to be coming out with a lot more of the low carb dishes, recipes. And just because you're going low carb does not mean you can't have dessert, because this right here proves it. This is so delicious. So until next time, just remember, God loves you, and so do
So
we.
do we.
And we'll see you soon, okay? Take care and bye for now.
Bye. Till tomorrow. Okay. Which we gonna eat first? Steak or pie?